Hey, what's up YouTube? It's me, Leaguemon, and today I am going to be showing you how to solve any 2x2 Rubik's Cube with no effort. Like, you only need to do just a couple of moves and then you're basically gonna solve it. It's just no need for like too much algorithms or anything like that. So right now, I'm using an iPhone 5 to record, and it surprisingly has a great camera. So you can just find one of these like anywhere for just $10, $50, and their camera is surprisingly great, and they're an iPhone. So I'm going to be using this for now, and as you can see right here, this I don't feel like solving it, you know, and like some people like me, they're lazy and they don't want to solve it. So I don't want to solve it right now. I just want to do something that is just gonna finish it off really quick, and I will be just set, and I can just go put this on display as decoration or anything else I want to use it as. So right now, let's get started. As you can see right here, my cube is just basically messed up, and what you want to do is basically, like as other people teach you, you just start off by solving the white side. So basically, you should know how to solve just the top layer. Like you should know how to solve the top layer, but I'm just gonna go through it step by step. So I'm not really good at it either, but I'm just gonna try. So I'm gonna go this, and you just have to match like the colors, basically. You only have to solve the top layer right now. So let's get the other white one and solve the top layer. See, as you can see, it's orange, green, red, and blue, and the logo is at the orange and blue part, and it's at the top left corner, and we've solved the whole top layer right now. And now, as you can see, we can spin it until it's like it gets really solved. So let me look at, so in this case, like you guys should be able to notice like some, like the bottom layer, you can just move pieces around and you'll be able to solve it. But I think right now it should be yellow at the bottom. So what you're gonna do is just repeat this for all the steps. I'm just gonna do it and fast forward. But what you're gonna do is, you see the corner, look for the bottom layer, turn it to the bottom layer, and the corner, your nail inside it, and should come apart. Yes. And you can also use a card or a screwdriver, and okay, it should come out. So don't worry, it's not gonna break your cube, but we just got a piece of it out. And what you're gonna do is just do the same thing with this one. Pull it out. Okay, now get the orange one and just simply place it in, and it should, this piece, the one that has a hole inside it, so the one that has a hole inside it, this one, the hole is under it, so this one is on top. So you should get it like this, should go in the middle, and let me bring it closer. This should go at the top, and the other side, it should go at the bottom. So I can't really see here, so and the middle, this part should go exactly into this white piece, and that's what you're gonna have to do. Let me give you a side view of what's happening. That's gonna go under it, and this is gonna go at the top, and simply just goes in. See, that one went in the bottom, this one went in the top, it's going in, and this one is in the bottom. Now all you have to do is just push it, and it's gonna snap in. Not really a snapping noise. Yeah, now let me just quickly see. Yeah, so we want, on the bottom it's just going to be yellow, so we're going to take this piece and basically put it in, just like how I said. Everything's still going pretty smoothly. See, my cube isn't ruined. So the last piece ever, and our cube is going to be solved. So, just if you did not know how, even if it's blurry and it's not adjusting, I just want to show you my best. It's gonna try to fit into there, and we're just gonna have to pull it out, and that's gonna go behind it. Come on, we can do it. So see, it goes on, that goes behind, that goes in the pocket, and we just use 4 fingers to snap it in, and that's our cube. It's basically all solved, and barely any effort because for you guys, maybe, because you might have a different thing. Most people, like, they don't need to move that much pieces around, but I had to in this case, because usually all the time I didn't really have to move that much pieces around, but now my cube is just solved. And I lubed my cube, like, well, it came lubed. If you guys like this video, be sure to comment down in the comment section down below. And for more videos like this, be sure to like and subscribe and turn on post notifications. And anyway, guys, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up. Peace.